So in a sense, carbon is injected into the soil through plant roots via photosynthesis and that nutrient exchange.
Part of a carbon farming project.
Carbon farming, yeah.
The carbon project, but just
Called carbon sequestration.
What if I told you that farmers hold one of the most powerful keys to fighting climate change? Right beneath their feet. This is the world of carbon farming. It's not just a buzzword, it's a real science-backed solution that turns farmlands into carbon sinks, helping us heal the planet while supporting agricultural livelihoods. What is carbon farming? It's a set of regenerative agricultural practices designed to draw carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere and store it in the soil and vegetation. Plants naturally absorb CO2 during photosynthesis, but with the right techniques like no-till farming, cover cropping, rotational grazing, and compost application, we can increase the amount of carbon stored in the soil for years, even decades. The global food system is responsible for nearly 1/3 of greenhouse gas emissions. But carbon farming flips that script. It makes agriculture part of the solution, not the problem. Some practices can remove up to 1 to 3 tons of CO2 per hectare every year. And in emerging carbon markets, that's becoming real money for farmers. And it's not just about carbon. Healthier soils mean better yields, less erosion, and greater resilience to drought and floods. Plus, carbon farming can open doors to carbon credits, allowing farmers to earn income for the climate work they're already doing. Still, let's be honest, carbon farming isn't easy. It takes time, training, and trust. Measuring soil carbon is complicated. Verification is costly, and farmers need support from policy, science, and consumers. Agriculture is responsible for about 10 to 12% of global greenhouse gas emissions. Carbon farming enables farmers to become part of the solution by sequestering CO2 in soil and biomass, reducing emissions through low-input, nature-based practices. Governments and private markets are now recognizing this with carbon credit systems, turning farms into carbon banks. Carbon farming introduces innovative income models. Farmers earn money by storing carbon, often $20 to $100 per ton depending on the market. Regenerative products are commanding higher prices from climate-conscious consumers. Farmers get paid for biodiversity, water purification, and soil conservation efforts. Worldwide, farmers are witnessing the tangible benefits of carbon farming. From increased yields to improved soil fertility, the positive impacts are evident. For instance, in Australia, farmers have earned significant income through carbon credits by enhancing soil carbon levels. Carbon farming is not just a trend, it's a paradigm shift. It's blending indigenous wisdom, modern science, and climate urgency to redesign how we grow food. By turning farms into climate solutions, it's offering a path to feed 10 billion people without frying the planet. We need to shift our thinking from extraction to regeneration, from short-term yield to long-term soil wealth. Governments must incentivize it, buyers must value it, and farmers, already doing the hard work, must be at the center of it all. If you believe agriculture can be part of the climate solution, join the movement. Share this video. Subscribe for more insights into sustainable farming. And most importantly, support the farmers who are growing not just food, but the future.